Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady.
I'm Abby the gardener.
I'm Savannah.
And I'm Aim the gardener.
And we made it to our destination, our final destination of the day. You can see in the background, we've got the Raleigh skyline, which means we are at Dorothea Dix Park to see the sunflower display. All right, let's go run in.
I can't wait.
All right, they're a little past their prime. I saw pictures over the weekend, but I was too sick to leave my couch. Oh look, there's goldfinches coming to steal the seeds. Sunflowers are native. That is correct. Helianthus annuus is a native to North America. So you can see where birds are starting to peck, even though the seeds aren't really ripe. And over here, this is what the finches do. They come and they just steal the seeds. So lots of food for the bird visitors. And of course, I believe this is the sunflower that's grown to make sunflower oil, like the cooking oil. It's time to relax after a very humid, sweaty walk through the sunflower fields.
You're about like 3.5 inches away from the ground.
I got the bad hammock. Well, we hope you've enjoyed this tour of the Dorothea Dix Sunflower Field. As always, thanks so much for watching, everybody. Sit back and relax and enjoy the summer.
See you later.
Bye.
Abby! All right, everybody, we are heading out because look at what's heading our way. And hopefully it's gonna rain in Fuquay.
Yeah, hopefully.
Let's face it, I've got a one-track
Probably not.
mind. The only thing I care about is it raining in my garden.